Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be analyzing Dogecoin, really understanding what Dogecoin's price is doing right now, and of course what we could be expecting as far as Dogecoin price is concerned, going further into obviously the end of the year of 2024. But yeah, if you're looking across the board today, yet again we did see a major bloodbath. I'm sure if you watch a lot of my updates, you guys know what's going on. But yeah, Dogecoin down 8.1% on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame down 20.1%. Well, let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening. If you want to see more of these Dogecoin updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and do let me know in the comments down below. And I'll try my best to give you guys these updates. But if you're looking at Dogecoin's price, 31.67 cents, down 8.2% in USD, down 6.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap at $46.18 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 6 billion, which is of course crazy to think about still. But are we surprised? This is the largest meme coin. So the valuation is still quite high, and the 24-hour trading volume shouldn't really be a major surprise. But enough with that. Let's take a closer look at it. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So for really understanding and taking a look at the broader meme coin market, I did mention this in my Pepe update. If you did watch that before this, you guys know. But the entire market valuation for the crypto space has been falling down quite a bit. But we need to understand a huge chunk of that is due to just the top 10, because these top 10 projects have insane market valuations. And if you're looking at the last 7 days, 30 to 20% retracement across the board, which of course is going to have an impact on the broader meme coin market valuation. So it's not just Dogecoin, it's not just Shiba Inu, it's not just Pepe, it's the broader meme coin market. But the top 10, when they retrace 30 to 40%, that is going to have an impact on the market valuation. But some people are looking at this as an opportunity. I personally am looking at this as an opportunity to accumulate at a cheaper price. Remember, I understand the risk factor involved. I've done my due diligence, I've done my research, and I know the risk factor associated to it. So if I accumulate, I know the risk of things going down even more. And remember, meme coins have that great potential towards the upside, as we have seen in the past. But at the same time, you need to remember that these coins, when the market tends to go down, will go down much faster than some of these other altcoins, some utility projects. But there are some coins that I have under my radar. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. But yeah, Dogecoin down 21.4% over the course of the last 7 days. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So first and foremost, let's take a look at the dominance index, 58.94%. I've spoken to you guys about this day in, day out. We know the significance of this, and the dominance is approaching 60% yet again, because Bitcoin is seeing a retracement. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 96,600, has seen a little bit of a bounce over the last 1 hour, I would say. But still in the grand scheme of things, you are seeing just quite a bit of volatility, for a Bitcoin, which has been impacting, the a price of the altcoins and Dogecoin. I'm speaking too fast, sorry about that. But yeah, you're looking at $96,600 right now. Seen a little bit of an uptick for Bitcoin's price. But let's see what happens going further into Sunday morning. Remember, on the weekends CME futures are closed, more manipulation than usual. But the fact that Bitcoin price has retraced and the dominance is going up the way it is, tells you why we are seeing major pullback for the broader market. And if you follow the channel on a day-to-day basis, this is something I have kept you guys updated on, and I did not want to see the dominance building strength, and it has been. So which is giving us more confirmation that potential altcoin lag could be in play. But let's take a look at what's happening with Dogecoin. So first and foremost, I want you guys to take a look at this. Dogecoin, of course, had a massive rally this year. You can see this for yourself. Obviously, at the earlier in the year, we only made our way up to the 22.1 cents, but we started retesting the previous cycle highs, guys. So major move. If you want to put this into perspective, literally, if you accumulated Dogecoin on November 1st, literally on November 1st, you did see Doge going up 219%. And I repeat, this is the biggest coin when it comes to the meme coin category. The meme coin category exists to this day due to Dogecoin's existence. But we pretty much ranged for a whole month above this key support, which of course is playing as a resistance now, but we have finally broken below it. Not the best thing, but we cannot ignore what has happened with the broader market. So let's take a look at it. Let me show you guys the visuals. So a beautiful 1 month of consolidation, really, really nice to see. But obviously that just changed a few hours back when we broke below it. And again, it shouldn't really be a major surprise because, like I said, dominance is going up quite a bit. Bitcoin has been seeing major volatility, which of course is going to have an impact on Doge. So after breaking below this key support, we had a free fall down to 26.13 cents. So a 26% drop after losing this support. Of course, that's massive, but also what a lot of people need to remember is, this causes a snowball effect. We were ranging above this key, resistance, which of course was a support at that time for more than a month. So after losing the support, people understand the magnitude of this, which of course has an initial, drop, but also, causes a snowball effect. And that is a major reason why I believe we made our way down to the likes of 26.6 cents. Significant amount of support around that range. If you somehow, got your orders filled in around there, if you were dollar cost averaging, you did see a 35% increase instantly. So we did retest. You can't make this up, guys. We almost came up to this key resistance, but we retested some significant other resistance, not the major one, but that tells you that was a sweet opportunity. If you got in, that was an instant 35% gain right then and there. But we have seen once again a minor pullback. What you want to see if you are a Dogecoin holder is to see the price going back above this key resistance, which we came very close to. I do believe if dominance pulls down a little bit and Bitcoin starts heading towards the upside, we will see that reclaim. I think Dogecoin has that all-time high, within itself, which a lot of people think might not happen, but I am very confident because depending on, considering what's happening, how that meme is being, thrown around so much. I think it's going to have a major impact on Dogecoin's price, but these consolidations, these pullbacks, sometimes cannot be ignored, and are not controlled because Bitcoin can shake out a lot of these positions and these support levels. But I would love to see that resistance being reclaimed back above. Very, very important. If it's able to do that, I think a great recovery is about to happen. But right now we're holding at some key support. Obviously, if this key support does not hold, the potential of us actually retesting the likes of these, wicks that we did see could still actually be in play. But I would not like to see that, to be quite frank with you. I would want to see the price of Dogecoin making its way back above this key resistance. If it's able to do that, we are good to go. But in the grand scheme of things, we're still in an upwards trajectory. But of course, you don't really want to retest the 22 cents, which still could be a possibility if we were to see, Bitcoin dropping down to 88,000 support. And dominance just goes towards a yearly high, which of course is going to have a major impact on the altcoin market in a negative way, including Dogecoin, which could take us down to 22.5 cents if that scenario were to play out. And if you want to put that into perspective, we're looking at a move of about 30%. And this is why you want to be locking in profits when you see these explosive moves. Don't want to be getting greedy. I know, whenever I talk about, profit taking, people get crazy, in terms of like, hey, what's going on? Why are you, not everyone, just a few, trolls out there saying, why are you talking about locking in profits? But, this is very important. And I'm sure people can see that. But, right now, that's the short-term scenario, what I'm looking at. But of course, if we were able to bounce back above this key resistance, I am confident. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Bring crypto ZX and peace out.